There it is. Last time you shall see the chrome banner. For now, anyway. We took the car to the panel beaters, and yeah, they just took a bunch of photos and stuff. I've never really been through the process before, or what to expect, but yeah. Oh, fuck, almost tripped over. Yeah, they just basically took photos of everything. It got me to explain what happened, how it happened, why it happened, all that sort of stuff, and then yeah, just took all the photos. And it should be going in to get fixed in like 2 weeks, something like that. But they reckon they're gonna repair everything. I was like, bro, can you just like replace them? Like, nah, but they were looking at the headlight, and because it's actually snapped the one on the other side just from when they ripped the bumper out. They just ripped the fucking tabs, the plastic tabs on the headlight, and it's actually snapped. So he definitely thinks it needs new headlights, which is a bonus. So yeah, just needs a lot of fiberglass repairs. Needs to be pulled out, straightened up at the front a little bit. But yeah, enough of that. Let's take this banner off. Got a Baylac over here, just washing up the Swift. Super dirty up over here. Oh, dirty, my guys. Back onto this thing. Look at this as well. I noticed. Look how far this wheel sticks out. Like, boom. And you come over here. Look at this. Oh, boom. Like, where's the... Boom! Enough pissing around, enough pissing around, boys. Far out, what do you have to eat? Oh. Oh. There it goes. The chrome machine is going. No. It was good while it lasted. Should be coming back. So this is way by Streetside banner. Look how well it just pulls off. Look at that. Boom. Easy. Yeah, the boys finally going for a drive. Tables are turned though. Legal? No, I ain't. Hey, the boys. Yo, I'll follow you, G. Jibble. So got me some pink wheels, boys. Oh, what a good morning to take the Silvia to get fixed. Oh! The Silvia is getting fixed today. It is Monday the... Fuck, I'm pretty bad with the dates, eh? Monday, something like that. Reckon it's gonna be in there for a couple weeks. Just gonna head down there now. Gotta take these pink wheels to Blink Company 2, get some tyres on them. And then, yeah, we shall drop the whip off to get fixed. The big beast out here. Big beast. Get a look. Get a look, get a look, get a look. Get a look at the new pod. Get a look, get a look. Oh. Oh, got the new cat can up in there. Fuck, the Swiftly running efficient as fuck right now. Yeah. And then we got the paint boys over here. They didn't turn out like anything like the fronts, which I was hoping. But I mean, they're pretty sick pink. It's like a hot pink though. That's like the raised pink. This is like a not a raised pink. But it's all good though. They look sick. Just it, don't look at them together. No. I barely reckon my wheel is like falling off. So gonna track it on the hoist and see why this thing's fucking going all over the place. Maybe it's loose, I don't know. We'll find out there. Going up. Hey, check though. That's me. I think we press the sun. Hold up. I just gotta like lock it in place. Loose as fuck. Oh, so yeah. Wanna find out what it is? Holy.
This will be on fucking this week.
Hold up. I'm showing them a new diff. Check out my fucking axle that's just blowing to shreds. Like, wow, look what's back. Yeah, boy. Oh, the 86 is back, boys. ITB, coil pack conversion, 20 valve. Goddamn. Got the skirts on there too. Woo! Tidy stuff, boys. Tidy. Thanks to New Zealand for the clouds. Just trying to film a bit of a clip for the boys, and it started raining on me. So about to push this back in there. It's a pretty nice thumbnail.